will receive 8,000 pesos. Congratulations, ladies. Alright. Picture po muna ang ating mga first runner-up. The Healthy Lifestyle. The Healthy Lifestyle. Okay. Congratulations to Zumba Kids. Alam po ang aking favorite. Congratulations. Okay, for the first runner-up, picture po muna tayo. Congratulations to Zumba Kids. Ayan, asan po ang ating official photographer? Okay. Talaga naman? Nag-zumba ka na nga, naging healthy ka ba? My gosh! Rex ka ba? Okay, zumba kids. Silang pinaka-nakakatuwa actually, ano?